If your dashboard shows the brake fluid warning light, don't panic. This usually means one of two things. Either the brake fluid level is low, or there's an issue with the sensor that monitors it. Start by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning the engine off. Pop the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. It's usually near the back of the engine bay, close to the driver's side. Check the fluid level. If it's below the min line, that's your likely culprit. Before adding any fluid, make sure you use the correct type. Look for the dot number listed on your reservoir cap or in your owner's manual. Using the wrong type can affect braking performance. Carefully top up the fluid to just below the max line. Avoid spilling, because brake fluid can damage paint. Once filled, close the cap tightly and wipe any excess. Now, restart your vehicle. The warning light should disappear after a few seconds. If it stays on, it could mean the sensor is dirty or faulty, or that there's a small leak in the system. In that case, it's best to have it inspected by a professional. Keeping your brake fluid at the right level is crucial for safe driving and responsive braking, so check it regularly, especially if you notice the pedal feeling soft or spongy. If this video helped you fix the issue, give it a like, subscribe for more quick car fixes, and comment your car's make and model below. I might feature it in the next video.